Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So guys, let's get down to trading. Today we are gonna use only one indicator. It's gonna be the alligator, and the strategy is based on pullbacks. So we are gonna open our trades right after a pullback. So guys, we will open position for the maximum amount of deposit. Today I'm in a mood, guys, and we have to make big money. Well, raise some cash, guys. So let's get started. Let's not drag this out any longer and pick out the better currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's start analyzing, and you will understand the principle of my trade entry in the process. Here we open our first long position, absolutely inch perfect trade entry, guys. The uptrend, the moving average are facing upwards. Also the pullbacks take place. This is a little correction after which the price should continue going up with the uptrend. This is very simple strategy, guys, and I guess you already understood the principle of my strategy. It's fully based on this. We already have a good breakout, and there are literally 13 seconds left before the closing, and I'm okay with the price movement by now. Nice trade, entry level, and let's just watch the price movement. So guys, our first position has been closed with a profit. We got $157 on the balance, and let's carry on trading. Let's carefully examine the current situation on this currency pair. So here let's take a look and let's open a short position here. The trend direction, especially, guys, here we see that the moving average are facing upwards, and in theory potential reversal to the downside is expected down the further correction because the whole trend is downward. Take a look at this, guys. Very similar pullbacks of the price, and from this level I guess the price should also continue going down. That's why we opened the short position following the trend direction. So you see, this is my private strategy, quite straightforward. So even if you're new in trading, you can easily make some profits from the trades. You don't need much train because it's really simple. So there you go, try it out yourself, guys. I didn't see that anyone also used this kind of strategy. And the second position is also in profit. We got almost $300 on our balance. Let's continue our trading session and find the next currency pair. According to my private strategy, we should open our trades following the trend direction. We definitely shouldn't open while flat prevails, and here I rather open a short position expecting to the trend continuation. So guys, we see a potential reversal here. All the moving coverage facing downwards to the reversal. We already opened the position here at this level, and after this pullback the price should move downwards. That's why we opened the short position. No big deal, guys. We have a kind of low trade entry level, but the next candle here gonna be in red as well. By now the price should maintain in our support zone, and next candle is gonna have the downward direction. The breakdown should happen, and our position will be closed with a profit, guys, because here we see a large shadow, and by now I'm fine with the price movements. There are less than 10 seconds left, guys. And another position is in a profit, guys. We continue our trading. So and change the currency pair. So let's see that we got here a small pullback that happened, guys. The price didn't hold so far, so we are not gonna take a risk here. Well, here I guess no. And here we also open a long position. Oh, short, guys. I'm selecting the workspace. For explanation, from the support zone we see a huge downward dynamics of the moving average of our indicators are facing downwards. Here a small pullback that happened, after which the price should continue moving downwards. There are also our levels, I'm pointing them out. The breakdown of this level has already happened and the price should move down to this level next. And again, right after the pullback, we open the position following the continuation of the downtrend. Basically, everything is super simple, guys. As you can see, there is 30 seconds left before the closing and we already have a nice level of trade entry. I'm fine with the price movement so far. There are 10 seconds. Okay, guys, and we are in profit, guys. Put down $1,000 in trade amount and carry on the trading session. As you can see, this is no big deal. Here is the breakdown, has already happened. And in theory, the price should go lower. Here we also have a correction. And let's open a long here. We got 30 seconds in hand. This is the uptrend, all the moving average are facing upwards. Then here is the pullback from this level, after which the price should go up. Very strong uptrend, and they tell us that we open the position correctly. There are around 30 seconds left before the closing, and by the end of this candle there is gonna be a new one and the price will continue going up following the uptrend. The major thing is that our position should close higher, and let's just watch the price movement. And I am sure that the breakout is imminent right in the end, guys, because there was a nice pullback and correction considering this price movement, so that's why our position has been closed in profit, guys, as usual, guys. Unfortunately, we have ended up with zero. It's okay, guys. I guess we should slow down with this one. Let's change the currency pair. Here I see a great pullback. That's why we should open a long position with the uptrend, guys. Point out the workspace. So look, guys, here is the uptrend, really impressive and dynamic. Here we see this pullback, this correction. If we look at the previous ones, this correction looks very strong. Basically, after this correction, the price should continue going to the upside. Everything is simple, guys, and that's why we've chosen the long here. We could even see that the bearish candle prevails now, but it doesn't have powers to go below the level. And in theory, a new candle should appear right away. There are around 6 seconds, and the next candle should be in the green one. So let's just watch the price movement. There is less than 10 seconds left before the climax. The price is standing still and our position in the profit. There are almost 2,000 on our balance. And let's continue our trading session. Here, let's watch the closing of the candle first, where the next candle is gonna go. We open a long position here. The uptrend is gaining momentum, and this pullback seems to be over. And basically, we see that a strong upward dynamics prevails here. Support zone played out perfectly, and the price is gonna go up. As simple as that. You should just find this pullback and then play out with the trend. Absolutely simple, guys. This is my private strategy. I'd recommend it to everyone. It's easy now to use and make good profits, guys. So you can see that yourself, no technical analysis is required. You see the pullback and just play out with the current trend. That's it. You open a trade and make money, guys, together with me. I don't mind. I want you all guys to be rich. And basically we got another position in a profit, guys. Very nice. There are almost $3,000 on our balance, and let's continue our trading session. Well, in theory, so it's no worth opening really high volatility here and the flat movement prevails. Let's see what we got here. After this pullback, I think the price should move upwards, and let's open our long position until it's too late. I was afraid that the price could move up, but it went lower, so we could wait a little bit. But it's fine, our position seems to be opened correctly. Rebound did happen from the zone, the price is going up again on the moving average, facing upwards. Here is a little correction, after which the price should continue its upward dynamics. That's why we open a long position. And the breakout has already happened. Basically, it's a piece of cake. Another position is in a profit. So enjoy the breakout, is gaining momentum and the price is not gonna fall down. There is only a positive dynamics and there are 10 seconds left before the closing. Let's just watch the price movement. Very nice. And our position in profit, guys, we got $4,000 on our balance. And I guess we open our final trade to consolidate our today's gains. So let's get down to trading. In theory, guys, the price is gonna go to the upside here. That's why I'm open to our long position. Let's select the workspace and point out this very important support zone, resistance zone. They went down for the correction here and then slow and steady movement to the upside. The moving average are also showing us that the breakout takes place here. After this correction, there was the breakout and the pullback again, which boosts the signal for opening a long. That's why we opened our long position, and as you see, guys, the breakout is gaining moments. The price is moving to the upside up to the resistance zone. Now the flat movement prevails. I told you guys to avoid the trading flat situation, but in this particular case exception can be made. Basically again, straightforward trade entry and we are in a profit one more time. We got $7,900 on our balance, and I guess this is where we stop for today. I'm fine with such outcome. Here we go, guys. So use my strategy, guys, in your own trading. Also, I have more videos that dedicated to this particular strategy. Check them out on my channel, guys. If you are interested and enjoy this video, and let's withdraw the money. I withdrew to Bitcoin wallet $7,900 and press continue button. So our transaction has been processed. I will attach the screen where it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.